welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel for booking lovers and these seeking a quiet retreat at home. Modern Home Library Ideas 2024 offers inspiring ideas for creating a cozy, stylish reading space. This video explores various library setups from built-in wall shelves to standalone bookcases that make a statement. Whether you have a dedicated room or a small corner, these ideas show how to incorporate seating, lighting, and decor, vintage bookends, plush rugs, and cozy throws, and make your library feel like an escape from the outside world. Additionally, the video covers lighting tips to reduce eye strain and enhance the reading experience for those with larger collection. Organizational tips on categorizing books by genre, color, or size help maintain a tidy, visually appealing library. This home library setup is perfect for anyone who values both function and aesthetics in their reading sanctuary. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.